Hey there, scrapper people. We're going to take apart this here internet box. As it weighs, it's 3 pounds, 0.2 ounces, mostly plastic, but we take it for shred if we didn't do anything to it. So we're going to take this apart, see what all we get out of it, and see if we get any good boards or anything else. And it's fairly heavy for its size, so maybe we'll find something. So stay tuned and let's get it done. Piece of plastic junk. Have a card. I got some nice gold there. Got some security bits here. SD card, piece of steel, how this comes apart. Here we got it. Pressed in there, looks like. Clean this out later. Decent little board here. brass. They are. This off of what's here. See what we got hiding behind there. Just this little fiber board. Nope. Check this one. Same thing. We got some aluminum heat sinks. Boy, that's got some nice gold fingers on that. Since there's not much junk on that, I would say this is a high peripheral. Flat packs, round, little ones, but so that's got a nice gold on that. But we'll get this finished cleaning up, and then when I come back, we'll wire everything up. Okay, we're back, and for the shred, we got 13.8 ounces of shred. For the brass, it doesn't weigh anything, so I'd say maybe a penny, and just a little piece of wire, so we won't count that either. The board, we're going to say this is a high peripheral. I'm going to count that as high peripheral too because of the gold. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm going to count it as right now. It's 9.4 ounces high peripheral. And last but not least, the aluminum. I found a nice piece of aluminum in that. 12.2 ounces of aluminum. These two are extruded. This is just sheet, but my yard pays the same for either, so we'll just say 12.2 ounces of sheet aluminum. Well, that was it of that. It was a quick one. Found some nice stuff in it. It was junk, didn't work, so hope you liked what you've seen. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see what we can get into next. So thanks for watching. See ya.